The mechanical type is the standard soft encapsulation machine that has been used for a long time. If you are good at producing soft capsules, it may be the most comfortable model to work with. CUBEGEL has this standard mechanical type model, the T series. In the T series, the standard model for soft encapsulation machines, there is the T150, which was designed for the first time to produce gelatin material, soft capsules. And it is divided into 3 models. T150G that can be mass-produced, T150S with safety cover, and T150V that is compatible with vegetable production. Among them, I will introduce the T150V, which is showing the interest of the most companies. In the past, many capsules were produced using gelatin, an animal raw material, but recently, the preference for capsules made using vegetable raw materials is increasing. People who do not consume animal-based foods for cultural, religious, dietary reasons, etc. can also consume it. And many other people have a tendency to prefer vegetable-based foods for health and environmental reasons. Therefore, vegetable material capsules are a good alternative to the widest demand in the soft capsule business. However, as there are many advantages, there are difficulties in production. Due to the high viscosity, it is very difficult to prepare vegetable raw materials for manufacturing the capsule shell. And since it is much weaker than the gelatin soft capsule, there are many difficulties in making the perfect capsule. The T150V model is a vegetable material capsule customized model that can solve these problems perfectly. 3 of the most important parts of the production of vegetable capsules are gear pump and heating hose, cooling conveyor system, and CUBEGEL technology. In the process of manufacturing the sheet using the vegetable raw material prepared first, vegetable raw materials are highly viscous and sensitive to temperature, so fine grain control is required. For this, the gear pump and the heating hose are used to transfer and supply smoothly without any problems. In addition, since the produced vegetable capsules are weaker than gelatin capsules, therefore, vegetable soft capsules need to be dried firstly through cooling conveyor system, before transferring them to the tumble dryer. High-quality vegetable soft capsules are created through our cooling conveyor system, which makes vegetable soft capsules much harden up. Finally, CUBEGEL has the perfect vegetable capsule production technology after continuous research such as viscosity, temperature, humidity, speed control, parameters, recipe, and so on. We provide production technologies and know-how to our customers, and it provides a lot of profits and benefits to our customers. Competitiveness is meaningful by finding and creating it. Grow up your business with CUBEGEL.